Hi, Ella and I are going to show you something else you can do with Play-Doh. You can make letters with Play-Doh. So you can take a chunk of Play-Doh. I have my name written on a piece of paper, so you can ask the grown-up that you're with. And Ella has her name. Her name starts with E. My name starts with M. You could just do your first letter. You could just pick letters. I know our letter this week is W, so you could make a W. You could pick your favorite letter and make that, or you could do your name. So ask a grown-up maybe to help you write the letters if you need to, so you can put the Play-Doh on top of it. We're going to show you how to roll the Play-Doh and make letters with the Play-Doh. So Ella's already started. She's rolling her Play-Doh into a long snake. So you have to use your hands and roll the Play-Doh. Roll, and if it's too long, you can use your pincher fingers to pinch the Play-Doh off. So I'm rolling my Play-Doh. Here's mine. I'm going to make my M. It's a little long, so I'm going to use my pincher fingers and pinch it off. I'm going to roll some more. Ella's rolling too. You can roll it in your hands. You can roll it on the table. And then pinch the Play-Doh together so it makes your letter. I made my letter M. I'm going to help Ella because she wants to do her whole name. Roll the Play-Doh. Here's a line for your L. Another line for your L. Thanks.
Thanks, Mother.
And then we can make a circle and a line down for the A and squeeze it together. All right, here, I'm going to show. Here's Ella's name, E-L-L-A. She rolled out the letters with Play-Doh. I'm going to take these two and I'm going to show you how to make a W. That was our letter this week. Here's a W. Can you hold up that side? W. So you can make letters out of your Play-Doh. Have fun. You can take pictures and show me the letters you make out of your Play-Doh too.